All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1049, Paul case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Paul, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, my daughter, who's living some type of life that I have no idea what it is, she drops her kids off every day and does what she wants to and doesn't leave any money for food or for any kind of things that the kids need. So I need some help financially because she doesn't give me anything. I mean, just me giving my money out of my pocket that I retired with.
The scene opens with the judge calling the court to order. Mr. Paul, a retired school district employee, explains why he's here. His daughter drops off her 2 kids every day, leaves no money for food or necessities, and disappears to do whatever. She pleases. His frustration is clear. He's spending from his retirement savings just to keep his grandkids cared for. What would you do if you were in his shoes?
Okay, and where did you retire from?
From the school district.
Okay. How long were you there?
20 years.
Okay, great. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
And thank you for taking in your daughter's kids because they could be a number of places, but thankfully they're with a grandparent. Ma'am, what do you have to say for yourself? First off, let me ask this question. Is what he just said true?
I mean,
It's a yes or a no. Is what he just said true?
Yes, it's true.
What's wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. It's just stuff I be needing to do, and I need somebody to watch the kids, so I take them over there.
When asked, the daughter admits, yes, everything her father said is true. Her reason, she has things to do and needs someone to watch the kids every single day. The judge is baffled. What could possibly be so important that she can't care for her own children?
You left 2 kids with him? What do you have to do, ma'am, that's so important every day that you cannot have your own kids?
I gotta make money, so.
Doing what? What do you do for a living?
Whatever I need to do, honestly.
Ma'am, what does that even mean?
I do, little dabble here, little dabble there, just different stuff.
You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time, and I am not about to play with you. What was the last legitimate job that you had?
I was a waitress.
Okay, where?
At a club.
Is that what you call it, waitressing?
Yes, it was waitressing. What else was I doing?
You don't want me to tell you.
The daughter says she's making money, doing whatever needs to be done. A vague, evasive answer that instantly raises eyebrows. The judge pushes for specifics, and the father drops a bombshell. Rumors from the streets claim she's been engaging in prostitution. She brushes it off, saying the streets lie, but do you believe her?
Now, ma'am, every day your kids are with your dad? No, ma'am. When you were working at that club, how much money were you bringing home monthly?
Between $7,000 to $8,000 a month.
All right. Okay. And that's all tips?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what I am going to do is base your child support on that $7,000 a month. So that would bring your yearly salary to $84,000 a year. Yeah, you can shake your head all you want to, but that's exactly what I'm going to do, ma'am. This is extremely disappointing that you leave your kids every day with your dad and you're not giving him any type of financial support.
When questioned about her last job, she admits she worked as a waitress in a club, making $7,000, $8,000 a month in tips. That number becomes her undoing. The judge announces she calculates child support based on $7,000 a month, totaling $84,000 a year. The daughter's reaction, head shaking in disbelief.
They receive any type of government assistance or anything?
She gets food stamps every month, and I don't see any.
You get food stamps? Where are the food stamps going?
At my house.
Who lives in your house besides you that need the food? Because your kid's over here with your dad. You don't give him any money from those food stamps?
No.
You know what? I'm not about to play with you.
Things get even worse for her. It's revealed she receives food stamps every month, but none of that food goes to the children she leaves with her father. Instead, it's kept for her own household. The judge's patience is wearing thin.
Salary $84,000 a year. That brings your gross to $7,000. Your net to $5,508.87, which will make your child support obligation $1,377. Now, you said that you were receiving, don't look confused. I don't even want to hear
That's
it.
too. I can't pay that every month.
You were not making those faces when you were out in those streets.
But
so
I
don't
can't-
come in
I
here
can't-
trying to make, excuse me, don't come in here trying to make those faces. I am not trying to hear it. I've heard enough.
Your Honor,
And you are in the wrong. Yes, sir.
she has a man living with her too, so just in case you didn't know.
You
You
know
don't
what?
need to
You know
tell her
what?
who in my house though, Daddy.
You
like
know
for
what?
real.
Okay.
I'm just telling the truth. I mean, it is what it
it
is.
sounds like
And you're
Daddy
just
telling the truth.
tattling.
Well, it sounds like he needs to tattletale on you. Somebody need to. You are ridiculous right now. Sir,
Yes.
she receives food stamps. So I'm assuming there is some Medicaid or something
Yes,
these kids
yes.
are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So what I'm going to do is do 9% of that $7,000 for your reimbursement to Medicaid. That comes out to $496. So $1,377 plus.
The ruling drops hard based on her income. Her monthly child support is set at $1,377. On top of that, she must reimburse Medicaid $496 a month, bringing the total to $1,873. The judge reminds her that she had no problem being out in the streets, so she shouldn't complain about paying for her own kids.
$1,873.
I don't even know men that pay that much money every month. So why I gotta pay that every month?
I don't know too many women that just take their kids and go drop them off at their parents' house and they have a whole man staying in the house with them.
It's my dad. Y'all act like I dropped
know
them
what?
off with anybody.
These are your kids. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, I guess I need to go make some money.
The daughter complains the amount is too high, claiming she doesn't know men who pay that much. The judge fires back, saying she doesn't know many women who abandon their kids daily while living with a man in the same house. Do you think the judge was too harsh or exactly right?
Well, you know what?
$2,000
That is your business. As long as these streets pay Pawpaw $1,873 a month in child support. Sir, is there anything further?
No, ma'am. Just happy Mother's Day to you.
Well, if there's nothing further.
The judge closes the case with a firm Happy Mother's Day, dismissing them from court. It's a cutting final note to a tense and emotional session.
Further, you all are dismissed.
In Texas, the person who has primary possession of the children, in this case, the grandfather, is typically entitled to child support. Even though the mother isn't currently employed, she admitted to previously earning $7,000 a month, so the court based her obligation on that figure. On top of child support, she must repay Medicaid assistance, making her monthly total $1,873. This case shows how honesty in court can sometimes work against you, and how financial responsibility doesn't vanish just because you walk away from your kids.